Welcome to the dawn of generative AI. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of generative AI. This isn't just another tech buzzword, it's a revolution brewing in the heart of artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where computers transcend their traditional roles as mere calculators and evolve into creators in their own right. This is the promise of generative AI, the ability of machines to generate new content. Whether it's a captivating piece of music, a breathtaking work of art, or even a groundbreaking scientific hypothesis. We're talking about AI that doesn't just analyze data, but dreams, imagines, and brings forth entirely new possibilities. The future is here and it's bursting with creative potential. Get ready to have your mind blown. Before we plunge headfirst into the depths of generative AI, let's take a moment to set the stage. It's important to understand the basics before diving into the complexities. What exactly are we talking about when we say artificial intelligence? It's a term that gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? Well, in essence, it's the quest to create machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Tasks that we often take for granted in our daily lives. Think learning, problem-solving, and decision-making, all those things we humans like to think we're pretty good at. AI aims to replicate and even enhance these abilities. Now, AI itself is a vast and ever-evolving field, but for our purposes, we can break it down into a few key branches. Each branch has its own unique approach and applications. First up, we have the rule-based systems, the old guard of AI. These were some of the earliest forms of artificial intelligence. These systems rely on pre-programmed rules to make decisions, like a digital chef following a recipe to the letter. They are precise but limited in flexibility. Then we have machine learning, where things start to get really interesting. This is where AI begins to show its true potential. Instead of being explicitly programmed, machine learning algorithms learn from data, identifying patterns and making predictions. This allows for more dynamic and adaptable systems. It's like teaching a dog new tricks with treats and praise, except with a lot more math involved. The more data it processes, the smarter it gets, continuously improving its performance. So, we've got AI, the big umbrella that encompasses a wide range of technologies and applications, and machine learning, the clever cousin that learns from data and improves over time. But wait, there's more. Enter deep learning, the rock star of the AI world, taking things to a whole new level. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain, mimicking its ability to learn and adapt. These networks are made up of layers upon layers of interconnected nodes, allowing them to learn complex patterns from massive amounts of data, making sense of intricate details. Think of it this way. If AI is the universe, machine learning is our solar system, and deep learning is Earth, teeming with life and complexity, constantly evolving and growing. Deep learning has been the driving force behind many of the recent breakthroughs in AI, from self-driving cars to facial recognition software, revolutionizing industries. And yes, you guessed it. Generative AI also owes its existence to the power of deep learning, enabling the creation of new and innovative content. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the learning process itself. Just like students in a classroom, AI algorithms can learn in different ways. Two of the most common approaches are supervised and unsupervised learning. Imagine you're teaching a child to identify different fruits. In supervised learning, you'd show them labeled pictures of apples, oranges, and bananas, telling them which fruit is which. The algorithm learns from this labeled data to make predictions about new, unseen fruit pictures. On the other hand, unsupervised learning is like giving the child a bowl of fruit without any labels. The algorithm has to figure out the patterns and similarities on its own, grouping similar fruits together based on their characteristics. Both supervised and unsupervised learning play crucial roles in the world of AI, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Section 5. Deep Learning, diving into the generative abyss. Remember deep learning, the rock star we talked about earlier? Well, it's time to give it the spotlight it deserves. Deep learning is the engine that powers many generative models. These models learn the underlying patterns and structures within a dataset, allowing them to generate new content that mimics the original data's style and characteristics. Imagine showing a deep learning model thousands of paintings by Vincent van Gogh. The model would analyze the brushstrokes, color palettes, and composition, learning the essence of Van Gogh's style. Once trained, it could then generate new images that look like they were painted by the master himself. Pretty cool, right? Section 6. Generative versus discriminative models. Two sides of the AI coin. Now let's talk about the difference between generative and discriminative models. Think of them as two sides of the same AI coin. Discriminative models are like expert classifiers. They take data as input and try to predict a label or category. For example, a discriminative model trained on images of cats and dogs could tell you whether a new picture contains a cat or a dog. Generative models, on the other hand, are the artists of the AI world. They don't just classify existing data. They create new data that resembles the patterns they've learned. It's like the difference between a food critic who can tell you if a dish is good or bad and a chef who can create an entirely new culinary masterpiece. Section 7. The Alchemy of Creation. Generative AI in action. The applications of generative AI are as boundless as the human imagination, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. In the realm of text, generative AI is crafting compelling stories, composing poems that rhyme and flow, and even writing code in different programming languages. It's like having a tireless assistant that never runs out of creativity. Imagine a world where writer's block is a thing of the past, and personalized stories are just a click away. But that's not all. Generative AI can adapt to your unique style, making each creation truly yours. Generative AI is painting masterpieces that rival the works of human artists, creating photorealistic images from scratch, and even generating breathtaking 3D models. These creations can be used in everything from video games to virtual reality experiences. In the world of music, generative AI is composing symphonies that stir the soul, producing catchy jingles for your favorite products, and even mimicking the voices of legendary singers. It's like having an entire orchestra at your fingertips. Generative AI is transforming industries from healthcare to finance, revolutionizing the way we approach problems and find solutions. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, assisting financial analysts in predicting market trends, and even aiding engineers in designing more efficient and sustainable products. The impact on these fields is profound and far-reaching. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by our imagination and willingness to explore new frontiers. Section 8. Painting the future with generative AI potential and applications. The potential applications of generative AI are vast and varied. In healthcare, it can help develop new drugs and therapies, personalize treatment plans, and even create realistic simulations for surgical training. In manufacturing, generative AI can optimize designs, improve production processes, and enable the creation of customized products tailored to individual needs. The entertainment industry is also ripe for disruption, with generative AI poised to revolutionize the way we experience movies, music, and video games. Imagine interactive stories that adapt to your choices, personalized soundtracks that evolve with your mood, and virtual worlds that feel incredibly real. The future of entertainment is about to get a whole lot more immersive and engaging. Section 9. The Societal Canvas Impact and Ethical Considerations. As with any transformative technology, generative AI comes with its own set of ethical considerations. The ability to create hyper-realistic fake content raises concerns about misinformation, identity theft, and the erosion of trust. It's crucial that we develop safeguards and regulations to mitigate these risks and ensure that generative AI is used responsibly and ethically. Moreover, the potential impact on the job market is a topic of much debate. While some argue that generative AI will automate away jobs, others believe it will create new opportunities and augment human capabilities. It's essential that we have open and honest conversations about the societal implications of generative AI and work together to ensure a future where everyone benefits from this transformative technology. Section 10. Generative AI, a symphony of innovation and imagination. Generative AI is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of technological advancement. It's a field that's both awe-inspiring and thought-provoking, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and challenging our very understanding of creativity. As we continue to explore the vast potential of generative AI, it's crucial that we approach it with a sense of wonder, responsibility, and a commitment to harnessing its power for the betterment of humanity. Section 11. Beyond the Horizon. the unfolding future of generative AI. The journey of generative AI has just begun. As we delve deeper into the world of artificial creativity, we can expect to witness even more groundbreaking applications that blur the lines between human and machine imagination. From personalized medicine to immersive entertainment, from sustainable design to scientific discovery, generative AI has the potential to reshape our world in profound and unexpected ways. So, buckle up and get ready for the ride. The future of creativity is here, and it's generative.